How to make a student Zoom account. So first you'll need to make sure you go to the Zoom website, zoom.us. And you're going to want to make sure that you are signed into your student account as an option. You may have more than one, but make sure that is one of the choices. Click the sign up for free. Put in a birth date. I recommend you just by default do the year 2000 to make sure that you're technically old enough. And you're going to click the sign in with Google choice. From here, it will prompt you to select the account. Please click your student one. And now that it's made, you can see your name and your picture. Make sure you're signed in to your student accounts when you're joining your Zoom classes. Teachers might not let you in if they do not recognize your first and last name. If you have questions, feel free to contact me.